we are one of the very, I think, rare families in Vilna that we are speaking our everyday language is Hebrew. And our kids were born in Israel, and their first language was Hebrew. We came back when they were 2 years and 1.5 years and 2.5 years old. So the second language was Lithuanian, and also Russian that they learned in kindergarten. And so they were grown up with 3 languages. So I know that there is, in the scientists, they are speaking all the time about bilingues. Bilingues is like a kid that is growing up with 2 languages, and it's very rare. So it's not rare in our house to have 3 languages, and they are not so some special, very clever or something. Simply it came like for free, like you know it, and that's it. And I'm very happy about that. And they are learning in a Jewish school here, and they were grown up in Jewish kindergarten that we could never dream. When I was a kid, there were no Jewish institutions, no school, no kindergarten, anything. And now it's like a very good company because the kids are from good houses, and all the parents are all the parents and all the kids, and they are growing together from a very small age, very young age, and they are together now. They are in the middle school years, and there are some activities. They were going after kindergarten every day to the activities to the Jewish community, and like friends. So you are survived. You are how do you say? You are around you. There are a lot of Jews, and you think yourself Jewish, and it's normal.
It's nothing like it was for you when you were growing up.
No, it was different. We were like Lithuanians, and we became Jewish only after after coming to Israel, I start feeling okay with being Jewish. And now I don't care. I can tell to everyone who I am, but not in my childhood, because it was also a pressure from the parents, from my mom's family, that you shouldn't tell because it's bad. Don't tell anyone. And if your father sends you some package with some jeans or something, don't tell where you get it, because it's bad to tell people where you get it. Tell that you bought it in some market or somewhere. So I think it makes some scratches your heart somehow when you live all the time in such an atmosphere that you couldn't tell anybody a truth. It's a bad thing. So I'm happy that my kids are growing up like free people, and they are not afraid to tell anyone on Facebook that they have Jewish friends, and they learn in Shalom Aleichem school, and that's okay. And if you don't like it, so that's your right. Okay, don't like it, but that's it.